सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्लोका नंबर 532। देवदत्तोऽहमित्येतत् विज्ञानं निरपेक्षकम् तद्वद्ब्रह्मविदोऽप्यस्य ब्रह्माहमिति वेदनम्। The Acharya revealing how the person is experiencing the Chaitanyam all the time. For that, he gives an example. A person called Devadattaha is the name of the person. Devadattaha. Aham, I am Devadatta. This knowledge is very clear. Aham, I am Devadattaha. Is inverted commas. Iti, thus. Thus, a person knows Aham Devadattaha. In that Devadatta place, you can put your name. Aham Lakshmi. Aham Vijaya. Aham Meenakshi. Aham Janaki. Thus, iti, in this manner, iti, Vijnanam, Vijnanam, this knowledge. What knowledge? I am so and so knowledge. I am so and so knowledge, Vijnanam, Nirapekshakam, unconditional. Apeksha means requiring a condition. You have to be a mother, it is a conditional. You have to get married and you have to get a son or a daughter. In front of them only you are called as mother or father. It is conditional. That condition, motherhood condition is required to be as a mother. But to be as I am so and so, what condition is required? No condition. You are born, that's all. This is very natural. That is why it is called Nirapekshakam. If you want to become a bank officer, you have to study so and so qualification you require and you have to write exams, you have to get promotion. These are all conditions make you bank officer. I want to become a doctor, I have to study the doctor course, medicine. To be as an engineer, I have to study engineering, condition. But I am so and so to say what condition I require. No condition is required. Nirapekshakam, the unconditional. Devadattaha aham iti vijnanam nirapekshakam. This type of knowledge, I am so and so, never depend on any condition. So you have to contemplate with your name. I am so and so. Because of what? Because of won't come. There is no because of. I am, that's all. I am so and so, it's my name. Similarly, tadvat. Similarly, Brahmavidaha api. Brahmavidaha means the knower of Brahman. The knowers of Brahman. Vidaha means knowers. Brahmavidaha, knowers of what? Just as that person knows Devadattaha aham, similarly the knower of Brahman, without any condition, without any external condition, that Brahmavidaha, wise person, say, aham Brahma asmi. Just as ordinary people say, aham Devadattaha asmi, aham Ramaha asmi, aham, any other name you can take. Similarly, wise people, after studying scriptures, what they say? Aham Brahma asmi. Ordinary people, how they say their name, Brahmavidaha says so naturally. When I wake up, you immediately, what do you say? Who are you now? I am so and so, you will say name immediately. Even after, immediately wake up also, I am yosichu cholrenu solluven. Even half sleep itself, that ego will come. I am so and so. How that is natural for a common person, similarly for a wise person who attend the Gita, Upanishad, Prakarana Grantha classes, that person easily can claim Aham Brahmasmi without any condition. You are all Brahmavidaha. When you are in Kesari High School, you are Brahman. When you are at home, you are Brahman. When you are walking, talking, anything, wherever you go, you are Brahman only. If I sit in front of Swamini only, Aham Brahmasmi, otherwise I am not Aham Brahmasmi and Cholla Mudiyuma. That Aham Brahmasmi is the unconditional, ever available, my real nature. Beautiful sloka. Nididhyasaname pandalam appadiye. Next shloka we will read. Up to here we saw in the last class. Shloka number 533. Bhanunev jagat sarvam bhasate yasya tejasam anatmakamasattucham kim na tasyavabhasakam. Kim nu. Okay. You have to supply yatha bhanuna sarvam jagat bhasate. Bhanuna. Bhanu means sun. Bhanuna means by the sun or through the sun. Because of sun. Because of sun what? Jagat sarvam. Sarvam jagat means the total universe. Sarvam, the entire universe. Sarvam jagat means prapanchaha, the world. The entire world bhasate, shines. Because of sun illumination, the whole world is illumining. I am able to see the whole world is shining. Bhasate. Tatha. You have to supply. Tatha. Similarly. Next line you see. Anatmakam asattucham अनात्मकम असत तुच्छम अस्य यस्य आत्मनः तेजसा भासते. Beautiful shloka. Just as because of sun the whole world is illumining, similarly tatha this anatmakam asat tucham, this whole jagat anatmakam, nama rupa, unreal world. Anatma means what? Unreal. Anatmakam. Asat, it is unreal, not existing all the 3 periods of time. This unreal. And tucham, which is having a lower order of reality. Tucham means mithya ityartha, which is inferior. Tucham means poyyi, shuddha poyyi in artham. Tamil lo sollanamanna tucham. Pucham கிடையாது, tucham. Pucham anna tail, tucham anna useless in artham, which is unreal, which is inferior, which is belong to the lower order of reality, which is vyavaharikam, tucham. Yasya atmanaha tejasa bhasate, because of which atma, this anatma tucham asat shariram sarva namarupa jagat prapancha bhasate means manifesting. Manifesting, because of which atma swarupam, the whole nama rupa prapancha is manifesting. Vyaktam, bhasate means vyaktam, visible. Yasya tejasa bhasate. Tejasa means here because of chaitanyam, sentience. Tejas means here, don't take like sun prakasha. Tejasa means with that chaitanyam, sentiency, prakashate or bhasate, shines. Bhasate tasya bhasakam kimnu asti. Second line, second half lo tasya bhasakam means atmanaha bhasakam, the illuminator of that atma. Who is illumining this whole entire anatma, tucham asat anatma? Who is illuminating? Who is that illuminating? Atma. That atma bhasakam, who is that illuminator of that atma? Kimnu tasya bhasakam. Who is the illuminator of that atman? No one. It is self-illumining. Tasya avabhasakam or bhasakam. Tasya avabhasakam kimnu asti. You have to supply asti. What is there that which can illumine this atma, because of which every unreal object is illumined? Not in a question manner is asking, but akshepartha. Nothing is there in artham. What is there to illumine that atma, because of which every anatma name and forms are illumined? What is there which can illumine that atma? Na? That is self-evident, self-illumining, never depend on anything, unconditionally shining. That is the meaning. Tucham means as good as non-existence ityartha. Tucham means what? It is as good as non-existent. I am the illuminator, never the illumined. Kimnu avabhasakam astina. I am never the illumined, but I am ever the illuminator. I am ever the subject of the object, but never the object. I am the subject of the knowledge. Koncham technical. I am ever the subject of the knowledge. Whatever knowledge I get, to that knowledge, who is the subject? I am the subject. But I am never the object of knowledge. கொஞ்சம் திங்க் பண்ண வைக்கிறோம் பாருங்க. See, I know the chair. The chair is the object. That is, chair is a knowledge. That is a knowledge. Now, the chair object, it is object, that chair is in such a cream color, that knowledge. And the knowledge, who is the subject? Who is the knower? I am the knower. When I am knowing the chair, I am subject. Sometimes when I am knowing that Rasgulla or Gulab Jam or flower, I am the object. சொல்ல முடியுமா? For every blessed object, for every object knowledge, I am the subject. Whatever may be the object, doesn't matter. Any object for that matter, I am the subject. But I am never the object of the knowledge. I am never the object of knowledge. I am ever the subject of the knowledge. Object of knowledge in chair, fan, house, all these are objects. Even body is also object. Mind is also object. Because I am experiencing the mind. The experiencer is the subject. I am experiencing the body. Body is the object. So therefore, I am the subject who is experiencing the body, that is knowledge. Body knowledge, mind knowledge, who is getting? I the subject. Mahavakya madri, and the statement. Purinja, illenna? Okay. Next shloka. 534. वेदशास्त्रपुराणानि भूतानि सकलान्यपि येनार्थवन्ति तं किं नु विज्ञातारे प्रकाशयेत्. विज्ञातार, okay. येन, by which वेद शास्त्र पुराणानि सकलानि भूतानि अपि. Veda means 4 Vedas. All these prameyams, he is telling, objects, all, what are all objects? Vedas, Puranas, Shastra, Sakalani Bhutani, all beings, Arthavanti. Arthavanti means they are meaningful because of this Atma. Because I, the Atma, they are all existent. Pramanam, get the state of Pramanam, status of Pramanam. Pramanam means what? Shastra Pramanam. An instrument you use to get knowledge is a Pramanam. Eyes are a Pramanam. Pramanam get the status of a Pramanam only when Pramata is there behind all objects. இது ஒரு டெக்னிக்கல் தான், எல்லாமே டெக்னிக்கல் தான். பிரகரண கிரந்தாஸ் ஈஸியாக இருக்கும், வெரி டெக்னிக்கலாகவும் இருக்கும். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு பி ரெடி இம்மீடியட்லி, யூ ஹாவ் டு ஜம்ப் அப் அண்ட் டவுன். டெக்னிக்கலுக்கு போகணும், ஈஸியாகவும் வரணும். See how technical this point. He says, Veda Shastra Puranani Bhutani Sakalani Api. Sakala means all. Sakalani Bhutani Api Arthavanti. Veda is a pramanam, Shastra is a pramanam, Puranam is a pramanam. All the sense organs are pramanam. Whatever you say pramanam is a pramanam. What is pramanam? Prayanam illa. Pramanam. Maage yaake difference theriyalana. In Telugu, ma only big round the difference. Letter same da. Only one sunna, but zero you have to put big one, small one. Ma kanna small, ya anna big one. If you put yak badu chinnadu putta difference varnadu. So adi madri pramanam na pramakaranam pramanam. Through which you get the knowledge is called pramanam. Pramakaranam. Prama means knowledge. Karanam means instrument. That which instrument gives you knowledge is called pramanam. Eyes are pramanam, instrument. Why pramanam? Because they give the knowledge of colors and forms. Therefore they are called pramanam. Nose is pramanam. The nose gives the knowledge of smell. Therefore knowledge, it's a karanam, instrument. Pramanam, karanam, pramanam. So any pramanam is pramanam. Any instrument is instrument. Behind this, the user of that pramanam is important. Who will use? In your house there are so many things. Suppose you are not there to use. What is the use of all those gadgets? Sofa is set is there, TV is there, fridge is there, grinder is there. So many things are there. But the person who is not there to enjoy, user, they are all losing their status. Similarly, pramata must be there, the user, the experiencer, the knower behind this pramanam. Then only they are all meaningful, purposeful. Adhe madri, this Veda Shastra, Puranani, Bhutani, Sakalani api. Veda Shastra mirka. The user must be there to study. Person should study and read. Otherwise, what is the use of, who will open the book? Puranam, Ramayanam is there, Bharatam is there, Bhagavatam is there. But there is no person to read, to open the book. What is the use? Even Bhutani, other beings are there. What is the use? So Pramata is required. Pramata means what? The one who knows about that. The one who gets the knowledge. The one who uses it. Clear? That is called Pramata. So Pramata is there behind all these beings and Shastram, because Shastram is a pramanam. They are all meaningful scriptures, Vedas, Puranas, other scriptures also we can take, any other granthas. They are all having a meaning when there is a person who is the subject, pramata. He says, Yena arthavanti, because of whom they are all meaningful, purposeful. Yena means because of whom. Because of whom. Tamnu kimnu tam kimnu vijnataram prakashayet. Who can illumine that pramata? See, because of this pramata only everything is getting that status. Because of whom this pramata is getting status? Kimnu, no one can give this pramanam status to me because I am the pramata. I am self-prover, self-evident, self-illumining. Simple everything is meant for me, but I am not meant for anything. I am not meant for anything, for anyone. Everything is meant for me. I am the consumer, consuming everything. Rasagulla cannot enjoy the rasagulla taste. Rose flower cannot enjoy the rose flower fragrance. இப்படி சொன்னா நல்லா புரியும். Okay, the house, beautiful bungalow cannot enjoy the greatness, the grandeur of the bungalow. Any car you buy, car can never claim I am so beautiful, my color is beautiful, never. Even the dog, in the example சொன்னா நல்லா புரியும். The dog also can never. Bhutanilo you can take that dog show, you go there and they will put a shirt it and all, they will bring that dog, and some dogs AC car lo they move, and they give special biscuits, special everything special for that dog. And the road மேல் போற டாகுக்கு இந்த டாகுக்கு ஒன்றும் டிஃபரன்ஸே கிடையாது. Because this dog rode that dog which is going, I am eating very very low nutritious food, there is no proper food for me, it will never worry. This dog will never think I am in a cinema actress house, I am daily going in the AC car. This dog will think like that. The dog show first prize this dog got, they have given the gold medal for that. And who will take that dog? Who is enjoying that greatness? The owner of that dog. The dog, he is going hugging that dog. You are so nice, because it gives the first prize. And bark yes, I have given you first prize for it. And the dog enna theriyum? Ardhavantiya? Nothing, no prayojana pavam avanku. Adella yarukana yena arthavanti, because of whom? Ipo puriyadho nalla puriyum. But this person who is enjoying this dog show and the whole world, all objects, entertainment, refreshments, everything, to that person who require for that person to validate. Who require this person to validate? Wife should come to validate the husband, or husband should come to validate the wife. Afterwards both will not validate each other. Adi vere vishayam. So therefore I am, that's all. I no one required to validate me. I am a person, that's all. I am a conscious principle. None of beings or Puranas, Shastras required for my validation. On the other hand, I am only validating everything in this creation. What a privilege. Idu vittittu aludunde irukane. What a privilege. I am the one who is validating everything. Because of me everything is validated. In my house, even every nook and corner of my house, every object is validated by me alone. I am not validated by any object in my house. You go and open the door, you are giving value, we are validating everything. But none of that objects in your house validating you. Is it required for that validation? That's what he says, Kimnu Vijnataram Prakashayet. What can illumine this person? Who is illumining, who is making everything meaningful, purposeful? All they can make this person meaningful, his life. Kimnu Vijnatara means the knower of all these things. Kimnu Prakashate. Which one can illuminate this person? His existence, his validation? None of them. So therefore, never, we need not worry if anybody is not validating me. because you do not know, you are not deserved to validate me. அப்படி சொல்லணும். On the other hand, our problem is what? I am not recognized by the people. People are looking down upon me. They are not noticing me. நான் வந்தா கூட கொஞ்சம் இதெல்லாம் சொல்லுவோம். So we have to think in other way around. I have this knowledge. I need not be validated by anyone. I need not be recognized by anyone. If I am not recognized or validated or appreciated or not taken care of by anybody, they are not deserved to know. They are not having such a capacity. All ignorant people. Who can validate me? I am Aham Brahmasmi. Who can validate me? Why I want validation of anybody else actually? That's why a jnani is never interested in name, fame, recognition. And fame are depending on the other person's emotions. Useless emotions. They are all weak-minded people, emotions fluctuating up and down, jumping. Such emotional people, they have to validate me? Do I require their validation? Otherwise, if I always seek the validation, what will happen? I am always under, what will happen to this recognition? Tomorrow they may neglect me. Now they are respecting me. For 2 months they saw very nicely, carefully Swamini. After 2 months, they are not at all taking care of me. It is natural. Anybody, if you go to friend, vango nu solluva. After 2 days, eppo povana papa. Enge paathalum ulagam ipdida. Even nearest daughter, son also, for that matter. Innu sollapona wife and husband kuda appadida. If you go near the person talking, this is the nature of these sense organs, Maya, Prapancham. Idu purinchukonu nammu. Idu puriyamala tindadindi irukum. Still we are craving for that name, fame, recognition, love, compassion. That's why we are always beggars. We are not happy at all. Evvala குட்டு வந்தாலும் கூட நமக்கு எத்தனை அடி வாங்கியிருக்கோம், எத்தனை லைஃப்ல விடமாட்டோமே. ஸ்டில் இது விட்டா இன்னொரு பிடிச்சிடுவோம். Someone or other we have to lean upon. இந்த leaning mentality போறதுக்காக தான் இந்த சாஸ்திரமே படிக்கிறோம். எத்தனை நாள் I have to be exploited by others? எத்தனை நாள் I have to be in this limitation? கிம்னு விக்ஞாதாரம் பிரகாஷயத். What a sentence, imagine. Wonderful sentence. It has to become my life, and it has to be assimilated. Not just in Viveka Chudamani book slokathula irukkodadu. I have to see that in my life. Then that Viveka Chudamani purpose is over. One Viveka Chudamani is sufficient to get mukti. Next shloka. येष स्वयं ज्योतिरनंत शक्तिः आत्मा प्रमेय सकलानुभूतिः यमेव विज्ञाय विमुक्तबन्धः जयत्ययं ब्रह्मविदुत्तमोत्तमः. The teacher is continuing the Atma Swarupa, just recollecting all the teaching, what he has given. Yeshaha, this Atma, aprameyaha. Yeshaha is in the first line. Atma aprameyaha is in the second line. Yeshaha Atma, this Atma. And the Yeshaha Atma also we have to note. This Atma nanartha. This is the nearest, dearest you are, that this Atma. It's not far from you. This Atma. Yeshaha Atma aprameyaha. Prameyam means object. Na prameyam aprameyam. Aprameyaha means it is never the object of knowledge. Never the object of knowledge. Other than Atma, everything is an object of knowledge. Object of knowledge என்ன என்னுடைய ஞானத்துக்கு அது ஒரு பொருளாக நிற்கிறது என அர்த்தம். கரெக்டா தமிழ்? என்னுடைய ஞானத்துக்கு அது ஒரு பொருளாக நிற்கிறது, அது ஏதோ அதுதான் ஆப்ஜெக்ட். ஸோ ஐதி ஆத்மா இஸ் அப்பிரமேயன்னு, இந்த ஆத்மா நான் எப்போவுமே ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்டாக பார்க்க முடியாது. அப்பிரமேயா ஸ்வப்பிரகாஷா மனோவாச்சா மகோச்சரா ஹூ. அம்பாள் அம்பாள் படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கோம், என்ன அப்புறமேவோ புரியல. அந்த புண்ணியந்தான் இங்கே கொண்டு வந்தது. அந்த லலிதா அம்பாள் படித்து படித்து ஹூ இஸ் தட் அப்பிரமேயான்னு. லலிதா இஸ் அப்பிரமேய ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம், none other than me, unobjectifiable. Lalita Devi Nama Rupa, real nature is consciousness, Chaitanyam. I am consciousness, Chaitanyam. So therefore, aprameyaha, eshaha atma aprameyaha. Then swayam jyotihi. Swayam means by itself. Jyotihi means illumination, illuminator. Illumines by itself. Swayam jyotihi. Ananta shaktihi, infinite, limitless. Anta means limit. Ananta means limitless. Shakti means power. Limitless power. Infinite power. Ananta Shakti. And another important word, Sakalanubhutihi. It is the ever evident, experienced by all people all the time. So never lack Brahmanubhava. We never lack the Brahmanubhava. As in the form of OC, we are all experiencing. I am OC. As RC, I am experiencing. நான் ஓசியா இருக்கேன், ஆர்சியா உலகம் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன். Chidabhasa is that which is everywhere pervading. இது இன்னும் டெக்னிக்கல் பாருங்க. I am having Atma Anubhava or not now? When I see this mic, Atma Anubhavam irukka illiyamma? Irukka. Who is pervading? Chaitanyam. Consciousness. I am conscious of. I am conscious of. The Chaitanyam is there. So Atma Anubhavam irukka illiya? Irukku. Chidabhasan dwara irukku. When the mic is not there, நான் இருக்கேனா இல்லையா? ஓசி, original conscious. As original consciousness, I am there. I am evident to me. Anubhava is there. As experiencer of the objects, as RC, I am there. When I am not there, Pashyan Shrunvan Sprishan Jigran irukku. While eating, talking, drinking, everything, I know, it is there. I am there. So, Sakalanubhuti for everyone, not only for Swamini, not only for Vedantic students, even for every person. But they do not know that. Whether you do know it or not, but Atma Swarupam everyone experiencing. Evident. See, no one is lacking Atma Anubhava. But what they are lacking in Atma Jnanam they are lacking, not Atma Anubhava. 24 hours Atma Anubhava is there, even in sleep also. ஸ்லீப்பில் நாம் இருக்கோமா இல்லையாம்மா? அப்போன்னா என்ன ஆத்மா அனுபவம் இருக்கா இல்லையா? நான்ங்கிறது ஆத்மா, நான் இருக்கேன், அந்த இருப்பதில் தான் ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம். ஸோ தேர்ஃபோர் வென் ஐ எம் நாட் தேர், சுஷுப்திலே இருக்கும்போது வாட் டு டாக் ஆஃப் ஜாகிரத அவஸ்தா நல்ல எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். நாட் ஓன்லி வேதாந்திக் ஸ்டூடெண்ட், even those who are all walking on the road, illiterate people, everyone, even who do not know, thumb printing person also knows that having the experience of Atma. Who do not know even to write, read, he is having Atma Anubhava or not? எனக்கு தெரியும் நான் இருக்கேன், எனக்கு தெரியும் சொல்றானோ இல்லையா, அவனு கூட அவனுக்கு ஆத்மா அனுபவம் இருக்கு. அதுதான் சகலானுபூதி, எல்லாருக்குமே அர்த்தம். For everyone, Atma is evident. So, Atma அனுபவத்துக்காக தேட வேண்டாம். சுவாமினி எனக்கு எப்போ வரும் அந்த ஆத்மா அனுபவம் எனக்கு கேட்கக்கூடாது. நீ தான் ஆத்மா, உனக்கு ஆத்மா அனுபவம் எதுக்கு? யூ ஆர் த ஆத்மா. அந்த ஞானம்தான் வேணுமே தவிர எனக்கு ஆத்மா அனுபவம் தேவையில்லைன்னு என்கிற ஞானம் தான் தேவை நமக்கு. திருப்பி சொல்கிறேன், I need not require any Atma experience, but I require what? I need not require any Atma Anubhava. அந்த ஞானம் தான் வேணும், ஆத்ம ஞானம் தான் வேணும் தவிர ஆத்மா அனுபவம் வேண்டாம். ஏன்? ஆத்மா அனுபவமா இருக்கு எப்பவுமே. ஆத்மா அனுபவமா இருக்கேன்னு தெரியாமல் இருக்கிறது அஜ்ஞானம். ஆத்மா அஜ்ஞானத்தில் இருக்கும். Therefore I require what? Atma Jnanam. Nice sloka. So such a person, what will happen if he knows I am having Atma Anubhava all the time in the body? If the body is not there also, it is there. Sense organs are not functioning, body is totally relaxing in the deep sleep, still I am there. Such a Jnanam, he excels in the world. He is the master crown of the world. That's why every Jnani is the crown of the creation. புரியுறதா இப்போ? Every Jnani is the crown of the creation. பகவானுடைய சிருஷ்டிக்கே ஒரு அழகு ஞானி. இப்பவுமே சொல்லலை இந்த வார்த்தை, நான் புதுசாக சொல்கிறேன். பகவான் பண்ணுற சிருஷ்டிக்கு ஒரு கிரீடம், ஒரு அழகு யாருன்னா ஞானி தான். அந்த பகவான் பண்ண கிரியேஷனுக்கு ஒரு பியூட்டி கொண்டு வந்ததே ஞானி தான். இங்கே மற்றவங்க எல்லாம் சொப்புன்னு தான். தேர் இஸ் நோ வேல்யூ ஃபார் தெம். தே ஆர் நாட் கிவிங் எனி ரெஸ்பாண்ட் வேல்யூ டு த கிரியேஷன் ஆஃப் பகவான். அதனால ஞானித்து ஆத்மைவ மே மதம். பகவான் என்ன சொன்னாரு 12th chapter கீதால? நான் ஞானி ஒன்னுதா, சஹ மே பிரியஹா, he is dear to me. You are all dear to Bhagavan. So therefore Atma is ever experienced by all, both in its RC limited form, conditional form also, and unlimited form, that is OC. That means it is, we are never lacking the Brahmanubhava, we lack only Brahma Jnanam. That person is Jayati Ayam. Yam eva Vijnaya Vimuktaha Bandhaha. By knowing this fact, Vimukta Bandhaha is free from bondage. Free from bondage. Yameva Vijnaya means gaining knowledge regarding our evident Atma. Yam eva Vijnaya. Gaining, Vijnaya means gaining knowledge. What knowledge? Regarding Yam eva, regarding our own evident Atma. What is the phalam? Vimukta bandhaha. Free from sanchita karma, agami karma, no bondage at all. He is free from bondage. So another phalam is what? While living itself, Brahma with, I am Brahma with, this jnani, Brahma with means knower of Brahman, this knower of Brahman, Uttamottamaha, Jayati, best of the best. Kanna best and children, the best of the best. Uttamaha na best. Good, better, best. Uttamottamaha na best of the best. இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? பிரியமோத பிரியமோதக்கு அப்பாற்பட்டவன் அர்த்தம். That means who knows this Atma. So you are all what? Best of the best. நான் நினைக்கிறேன், நீங்க எப்படி நினைக்கிறேன்னு தெரியல. I am always a hope, positively thinking. Jayati means excelling all people in the world. Jayati. இதுதான் victory என்ன? இதுதான் success என்ன லைஃப்ல? What success is there? All success are not success at all. They are all not victory at all. நம்ம ஏதோ victory ன்னு சொல்றோம். Once you know this Swarupam, mastery the mind and go beyond the mind, Gunatitaha, Parabhaktaha, Sthira Prajnaha is the Uttamottamaha, best of the best. Okay, next shloka. 536. न खिद्यते नो विषयै प्रमोदते न सज्जते नापि विरज्यते च स्वस्मिन् सदा क्रीडति नन्दति स्वयम् निरन्तरानन्दरसेन तृप्तः. So this person, Brahmavit, he is gunatitaha na khidyate. He never have a sorrow, never lament on anything. Khedanam means lamenting upon something or other, crying, weeping. Nakhidyate means they never have any khedanam. Chinta nastikilam tesham chinta nastikila. They don't have any chinta. Chinta means worry. Worry free. Nakhidyate. Because of what? Vishayaihi, because of objects. And that objects giving experience, sukha, dukkha. Because of that, never have any khedanam. Never have any elation or depression. Vishayai na pramodate. Never jump up and down. Edavadhu konjam nalla nadanda, aha, wonderful, wonderful. So balanced. Never have any elation. Na sajjate. Never attached to that. Na virajyate, he never detached also. These are all for normal people. Association too much. We do friendship also, relations also. See, this is the one type of weakness for people, normal people. Association with some people too much for some time, and that much dissociation they will have. Sajjate, virajyate. Running away. Association and dissociation. The companies are all like that only, They associate. Associated traders. Associate and then dissociate. Associate, dissociate. But this jnani never associate with any group of people. No groupism ityartha. Enda group ke sambandha pattadavan. இந்த குரூப்பா அந்த குரூப்பா, இந்த மிஷனா அந்த மிஷனா, ஒன்றும் வேண்டாப்பா. ஒரு பார்ட்டி கிடையாது, ஒரு குரூப்பு கிடையாது, ஒரு மிஷனு கிடையாது. At the same time, he is not detached from them also. He never dissociate from them also. He never hate them. Let them be there. But I don't want to associate with anybody. At the same time, I don't want to dissociate also. ரொம்ப கஷ்டமான நிலைமை. Because we want all the time some association. அது ஏதாவது சரியா இல்லைன்னா ரொம்ப டிசோசியேஷன். இப்போ டிசோசியேஷன் ஆகிடுச்சு, ஏதாவது இருக்கணுமே ஆதாரம், மறுபடியும் அசோசியேஷன். அது கொஞ்ச நாள் ஆன உடனே அப்படி திருப்பி அசோசியேஷன். இதுதான் நம்மளோட வேற. சம்யோக வியோகா விப்ரயோகாந்தகா. அந்த சம்யோக வியோகத்திலேருந்து வெளியில் வரணும். வியோகா ஃப்ரம் சம்யோகா. Dissociate from the association. Best. Dissociate from the association. அதுதான் அசோசியேஷன்னாலே தகராறு. ஃப்ளாட்ஸ் எல்லாம் பாருங்க, அசோசியேஷன் செக்ரட்டரி எல்லாம் தகராறு தான். எனி அசோசியேஷன் யூ டேக் ஃபார் தட் மேட்டர், பிரசிடென்ட், செக்ரட்டரி, சேர்மன், ஏதோ ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம், எல்லாம் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ். ஸோ தேர்ஃபோர் ந சஜ்ஜதே ந விரஜ்யதே. What he does then? He won't feel bored. எல்லாம் போராக இருக்கும், சப்புன்னு இருக்கும். சுவாமினி என்ன சஜ்ஜத்தே இல்லை, விரஜ்யத்தே இல்லைன்னா கொஞ்சம் அப்படிப்பட்ட டேஸ்ட் இருக்கக்கூடாது லைஃப்பில். என்ன he is reveling in ஆத்மா. அவருக்கு என்ன வேலை? ஸோ ஸ்வஸ்மின் சதா கிரீடதி நந்ததி ஸ்வயம். பை ஹிம்செல்ஃப் ஆர் ஹர்செல்ஃப் ஸ்வயம். ஸ்வஸ்மின், in himself or herself, sada, all the time, kridati, playing a sport. Dukkhesh anudignamanaha sukhesh vigataspraha atmani eva atmana truptaha. That Acharya remembering that shloka here. Kridati means it's like a play. Life is like a play. Nandati, rejoice, enjoys, revels. Nirantara ananda rasena truptaha. Truptaha means content, satisfied. Why you are happy student? Because my son has come. That means my son go back to the America and again I will become unhappy. Why you are happy? Because and chonna ajnani. And the because answer இல்லைன்னா you are MBA. Okay, Master of Brahmananda. Okay, Nirantara means all the time. Ananda rasena, enjoying that ananda, the core, inner core of Atma Swarupam all the time. Triptaha san nandati. Being a triptaha purnaha, nandati means he rejoices. That's why all the time gloomy face, no gloomy face. Okay. Next shloka. So this is what way he excels means because of kridati swasmin atmani. Therefore jayati. That jayati you can supply here. Because of what he excels in the world. Atmani ramate, atmani kridati, atmani nandati, swasmin swarupe sada. Not once in a while. Swamini, whenever I am coming to your class, I am so nice and happy. அப்படியெல்லாம் கிடையாது. He is nishtha all the time. Because even though the Swamini is not present in front of eyes, remembering the Swamini's teaching. அதுக்கு தான் எல்லாருக்கும் பொறாமை. இன்னும் எப்பவுமே சுவாமினை பற்றியே யோசிக்கிறேன். என்ன பண்ணுறது? சுவாமினி தான் வரும். ஏன்னா ஆத்மா, சுவாமினி நினச்சா ஆத்மா வரும், ஆத்மா நினச்சா ஆனந்தம் வந்துடும். So you are so much infected with good infection da. Okay, not negative infection. இந்த மாதிரி இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் நல்லது தான். திங்கிங் அபவுட் சுவாமினி ஆத்மா வந்துடும். ஆத்மன்னா ஸ்வஸ்வரூபம். ஸோ தே ஆல்சோ வில் பி இன்ஃபெக்டட் பை யூ லேட்டர். தே வில் ஆல்சோ கெட் ஆத்மா ஆனந்தா. இந்த இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் கொஞ்சம் கொடுக்கணும் எல்லாருக்குமே. இதுதான் நாங்கள் பண்ணுறோம். அந்த இன்ஃபெக்ஷன், இந்த இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் இல்லை, நாட் ஹெல்தி இன்ஃபெக்ஷன். இந்த இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் இஸ் குட் இன்ஃபெக்ஷன், பாசிட்டிவ். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகம். क्षुधां देहव्यथां त्यक्त्वा बालः क्रीडति वस्तुनि तथैव विद्वान् रमते निर्ममो निरहं सुखी. So this person is Eshaha Brahmavidam Varishtaha and Cholalam. Is that among the knowers of Brahman, this person is Varishtaha, Variyan Varishtaha. Never lose sight of an artha. That means intensity, these emotions will not come and disturb him. He will immediately recover. Fraction of second he comes out of this anatma. Even at the time of censure, apamanam, never disturbed, never perturbed by any apamana. That's why he excels in that manner. Anandarasa means gained in terms of knowledge. And the rasam anna previous sloka, edo rasam ichukudadu. In the form of knowledge. Rasena, through the knowledge and artham. Now in this verse, here also you can supply that jayati. We have to supply here also. Kshudham dehavyatham tyaktva. Having given up. Kshudha means hunger. Vyatha means pain. The pang of hunger. The pangs means pain. And that pain, dehavyatham. The body pain, the hunger pain. This is the physical level. Hunger pain is at pranamaya kosha level. Jataragni, pranamaya kosha level. This is at annamaya kosha level. They have body pain, mutti vali, mudugu vali. Indella pain irukliyo, pallu vali. All this pain. Tyaktva, having given up. Having given up, eppadi given up panna mudiyum? They are all become insignificant. Stars are insignificant in front of the sunlight. இந்த மாதிரி ஆத்ம ஞானங்கிற சன்லைட் முன்னாடி இந்த தேக பாடி பெயின் அண்ட் ஹங்கர் பெயின் ஆல் தீஸ் ஆர் இன்சிக்னிஃபிகண்ட். ஜஸ்ட் ஆஸ் பாலஹா கிரீடதி வஸ்துனி. ஜஸ்ட் ஆஸ் த பேபி, த சைல்டு பிளேயிங் வித் த டாய்ஸ். வஸ்துனி கிரீடதி. When that boy is child playing with the toys, that baby child remembers the hunger. வாடா சாப்பிட்றா மம்மா கூப்பிடணும். எப்போ சாப்பிட்டு வாடான்னு கூப்பிடணும். வேண்டாம், ஏன் தெரியல? அந்த டாய்ஸ். இந்த ஆத்ம ஜானிக்கு என்ன டாய் ஹியர்? ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம். அந்த வஸ்து இந்த வஸ்து அதையும் வஸ்து தான், ஆத்ம வஸ்து. இந்த பையனுக்கு என்ன வஸ்து? டாய், பொம்மை. பசி தெரியாது. அதே மாதிரி இந்த ஞானிக்கு கூட பசி, இந்த தேகனுடைய பெயின் தெரியவே தெரியாது ஆத்மஸ்வரூபంలో. ఇది ప్రారబ్ధం. ప్రారబ్ధాయ సమర్పితం వపుః. This body is bound to get problem. Let it go. Never suffer. Tatha eva vidwan ramate. Same like a baby child enjoying, reveling in that atma swarupam ramate. Nirmamaha niraham sukhi. Without any mamakara. Nirmamaha niraham, without any ahankara. I-ness and mindness. Without I-ness and without mindness, this Atma Jnani revels, ramate. Rammu dhatu. That's why Rama. So if you see Rama, you can revel in that Rama. Ramate means revels in that Atma Swarupam. Sukhi, San Ramate. Sukhi, San Ramate. Remaining happy and Ramate, and dwelling in that Atma Swarupam. Always happy. No sorrow. All are like pinpricks ivarku. More in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.